Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to reset chat settings to default in the updated Twitter app. Follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth reset process. To begin, open your phone's settings. You can usually find this in the main menu or by swiping down and accessing the settings icon. Next, look for the option that says Apps or Application Manager in the settings menu. Tap on it to proceed. Now, scroll through the app list and locate the Twitter app among the installed applications. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the app settings. Within the Twitter app settings, you will see various options including storage. Click on Storage to reveal more settings related to the app's data. In the Storage section, you will find the option to clear data. This is the crucial step to reset the app to its default state. Tap on Clear Data and confirm your action when prompted. By clearing the data, you will erase all chat settings and history, restoring the app to its original default settings. This process can help resolve any issues you may be experiencing with the chat feature in the Twitter app. Remember, resetting chat settings to default is not reversible, so make sure to back up any important chat data before proceeding. And there you have it. Follow these steps carefully to reset chat settings to default in the updated Twitter app. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you.